These are way too long and we need a trim. These ones are thinning shears. I don't want those. These ones.
Guys, be very careful. We need adults.
Everyone said I was holding them the wrong way in the last video. I put my thumb in this one. Is that wrong? When you pinch them together like this, the ends are naturally going to be longer than the middle pieces, so I don't need to twist when I'm doing a trim. I'm going to cut off the hair that lays right in between her eyes. Ready?
Yep.
Let's do it. For the next part, what I've seen online is that you're supposed to measure where the ridge of the forehead starts. I don't really know what that means. I'm assuming it's this little bump right here. So she has a 1 finger ridge, and I'm going to take her bangs. I'm going to pull them up, twist, and then I'm going to pull my fingers back and cut off 1 finger length of hair.
My hair's messy.
Okay. So effortless. Okay, what do we think?
It's great.
You like them?
Yeah.
Let me see. They look perfect.